معكم حمودي بامبي. مجهز لكم مغامرة أسطورية. I'm coming to you baby. بمناسبة عيد المئوي لشيفي تراكس. And I brought this legend to this legend.
So we're gonna make wash out of this truck.
تعالوا معي. السلام عليكم، كيف حالكم؟ أنا أدري الحين أنتم متحمسين وأنا متحمس، أنتم تستريون وأنا أستريا، أنتم تستريون أكثر ما أنا أستريا، بس أنا متحمس أكثر منكم أنتم، فأنا الحين رايح على الجراج وبرايكم الشغل وبتشوفون كيف نفك القطع ونركب. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Hello everybody, you guys are ready? Let's do this. Whoa, look at this, yo. Please, bro, don't tell me you started without telling me.
What up, man? No.
How are you?
Can't get the party started without you.
You told me to get ready and I'm ready now.
Well, before we get started, we need to take a picture of the truck.
That's a really good idea. Let's do it.
The truck is in such good condition that a lot of the parts I can use for a future project. So what we're gonna do is just assess what we're gonna need and what we're gonna use.
That's a really good idea. That's because it's 51 years old. نحن شو بنسوي الحين؟ بنفتح القطع وبنرد نركب أشياء ثانية. يعني الحين أنا وايد متحمس حق الشغل الأسطوري اللي بنسويه الحين.
We need that energy to take it apart.
جاهزين؟ تعالوا معي. أول قطعة تفك، آخر قطعة تركب. توكلنا على الله. We got it already?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
How you feeling?
I'm feeling hungry a little.
No lunch for you.
No lunch for me?
Mafi.
ما في خلاص. That way. Got it, baby, got it.
I need some help, man. I need some muscles.
Right here.
Got it?
Yeah.
Got it. This is the bad boy is gonna do it.
Close it a little. الحين بنصير نشوف الماكينة اللي هو the main heart of the car. Let's go there.
This was Chevy's workhorse right here. They used it for farming, driving across America, carrying stuff across with just this right here. So, I mean, this truck is 51 years old. It's still running strong, but we're just going to give it a little bit more muscle.
Why it's orange?
That's actually called GM Orange.
Okay.
Hook me up.
We're cool. We're almost there.
Now pull the machine back. Watch your toes. Up. Jack it up. All right. That's good. Let it down.
Woo!
We're good.
I got it.
Get tiny.
الحين ركزوا معي اسمعوا يا شباب اسمعوا. مجهز له شيء اسطوري، شيء بخليه يدوخ اليوم. مجهز له مكبوس دي اي. ما يعرف يعني مكبوس. مجهز له قعده اماراتيه، يعني اكل اماراتي، قعده اماراتيه، طبعا كله في وين؟ في الشابي. Welcome to my field.
شكرا.
That was your field. This is my field.
Okay.
مكبوس has to be tiny spicy.
It's okay. I'm Mexican.
How do you say this, مكبوس?
Machbush. So I hear you have a Chevy pickup.
I love Chevy.
Yeah.
I swear. I had 3 cars. I sold them all and I kept this one. It's really comfortable, sport, fashionable, fast. Because we have deserts here.
Yeah.
We use these cars in desert and they never stop in desert. Mine is beautiful and I love it. It's all black. It's a beast. We call it Wahsh.
So we're gonna make Wash out of this truck.
You have done sketches for this car now?
Yeah, I have some sketches that I started working
I
on.
really can't wait to see them then.
Let's finish lunch and then we'll have a look at the sketches.
All right then. Let's just do it.
I've been going over the designs over my head, just thinking of putting this 100 years of Chevy truck, and I think I got the perfect truck for this thing. So we'll do a rough sketch. That way we know what the truck's gonna look like, and then we'll put it together.
بيسوي شيء اسطوري وشيء خرافي فانتم ما تقدرون تشوفون تريوا على هالشيء. I see the Chevy is ready almost, huh?
Yeah, it's starting to take shape.
Have you decided what color you're gonna put?
I want to do really pearl white roof and sand colored gold bottom.
Wow, bro, it's beautiful. I think it represents us, our culture, our like traditional like colors. Pearl diving, as you said, pearl.
Yes.
And
Sand colored bottom half.
have you been to Shandaga?
I have been to Shindiga.
Have you seen the old houses?
Yeah.
So those two colors representing our culture right there.
I'm sure anybody who sees this will know that this was built with heart and it was built here in the UAE.
الصراحة الألوان اللي اختار اللونين اللي يعودون حق التراث الإماراتي القديم، اللؤلؤي والبني على ذهبي الشش. طبعا كل حد يعرف ليش اللؤلؤي وليش البني. البني لأن البيوت القديمة، واللؤلؤي لأن الأجداد كانوا يطلعون اللؤلؤ يعني اللولو قبل. فهو اختار هاللونين. يعني انتم تخيلوا معنا الأولد شافي وهاللونين. مثل ما تشوفون نحن مو في جراج، نحن ما نشتغل في جراج. الجراج هذا مثل 5 ستار هوتيل. يعني مثلا يعني اذا تبي تفتح I like that. كل شيء ايزي. مثلا اذا القطعه طاحت ظهري عورني كيف اني بالحين واو I like that. وشي بس يعني عشان اقول لكم خفيف يعني مو في اي جراج يعني تعرفون.